Hi guys! Hello guys, good afternoon. For this video guys, katatapos lang namin guys, magbalot ng mga salary. Magbalot ng mga sahod guys, kaya medyo kalat na kalat pa yung aking table guys. So ngayon guys, since tapos na kami magbalot ng pampasahod. So ito naman guys, may natanggap akong milk tea. Salamat sa sponsor, Ma'am Joel. Salamat sa sponsor. Wow! Uy guys, cake milk tea. Sarap nito guys. Wow, at may kasama pang guys, hus. Hus guys. May kasamang guys, straw. Yan. Sarap ito guys, oy. Masarap talaga guys no pagbigay. Nag-video. Hindi talaga ako marunong guys. Hindi ako marunong bumili guys. Hindi ako marunong bumili ng milk tea. Nakailang libre na to si Ma'am Jo sa akin guys. So hindi ako nakabili balik sa kanya guys. So, nililibre niya ako lagi ng milk tea. Kaya ito guys, shake natin guys. Kaya na yung ice cream. Ice cream ba to or cake ba to nasa ilalim? Shake natin guys. Hindi mo siya na-shake guys lahat. So, tusukin na lang natin guys. So, ito guys, may guide siya dito guys. Oh, dito na tutusukin. Kaya ito, bang! Tusok agad guys. Tapos, ganito lang yan guys, oh. Oh, ikot-ikot lang to guys. Para yung cake guys, kay cake milk tea man daw to guys. Nakalagay dito cake. Yung flavor guys is cake milk tea. So, ito yung cake guys. Oh, yan. So, hagod lang ng hagod guys. Yan. Hanggang mahalo. Okay. Wow. Ang daming beads. Beads. Daming beads. Wow. Oh, ito guys. Yan. Sarap talaga guys. Oh. Oh, yan. Yan. Sarap talaga guys. Excited na akong guys, kumikot. Daming beads guys, oh, beads. Oh, look at guys, oh. Daming beads guys. Yan. Oh. So ito guys. Try nga natin higupin guys. Sarap talaga guys. Ay, sarap talaga. Masarap yung milk tea. Lalo pabigay, lalong sumarap. Dagdagan sarap. Ngayon guys, parisan natin guys. Itong guys, itong pagkain ko guys na walang kaubos-ubos. Order ko to online guys. Hindi na uubos. Ito yung guys, kasi gabi na ako umuwi, no? Kaka-live dito sa office. Pagdating ko sa bahay namin guys is ito na yung hapunan nito guys. Ito guys. Ano siya? Crispy pa rin. Cucumber yun. Cucumber. Kamote. Sige. Ito naman. Ang dami nito. 1 liter yata to guys. 1,000 liter. Dami to. May kasama pang ano guys. May kasama magbag. Bag. Gamit. Lagyan ng baon. Sarap talaga guys ay. Parisa natin ng ano guys. Banana chip. Guys. Punong-puno. Sarap talaga guys. Guys, oh, tinan mong beets guys. Kagub-gub kayo guys. Kamusog siya guys. Pwede guys kaya. Pan siya? 250 grams. Nya. Sugol na ko ni panihapon Lunes nya. Sabado na taron. Sulit kaya guys no? Good for 1 week na consume. Ito na naman guys. Awa guys. Awa guys ha. Awa guys. Okay guys. Murag lugay pa siya mahurot guys. Murag mukaon pa rin siya guys. Kuan ka minutos guys. Karang cake guys oh. Mukaon gini siya uso ka oras guys. Cake be. May babaw ang cake, guys. May babaw ang cake. Wala cake ay. Mia. Cake. Okay guys. So kani siya guys. May ganyan siya guys. Yeah, sweet kayo guys. Panaangay lang po siya guys kay panalagsaan guys kay bro kanang tasyo bar. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy me watching eating my vegetable and also my drinking my cake milk tea. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.